Hello, good afternoon, welcome. This is year 2012 government past question. Question number 29. Two foreigners that directly aroused nationalist feelings among Nigerians are dash. Two foreigners that directly aroused nationalist feelings among Nigerians are dash. Option A says Edward Blading and P. Jackson. B say Kingsley Afford and James Hutton. C say W. E. Dubious and H. O. Davis. The option D say Marcus Garvey and Kingsley Afford. So the two foreigners that actually arose nationalist feelings among Nigerians are Marcus Garvey and Kingsley Afford. So option D is correct. Thank you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.